Someone watching my video on creative macro photography with the Leica Q2 discovered my watch. It's a Rolex GMT Master 2 Pepsi style, a very rare watch from Rolex with closed waiting list in Zurich and in other countries 5 to 10 years. I was lucky enough to get this from a certified salesperson in London. And the person dropped me a comment and said, Leica and Rolex goes very well together. Would be so cool to do a video with the Q2 on the watch. So this is what I'm going to do now. And since a lot of people also asked me how the zoom functionality, so that dedicated button on the Leica Q2, when you crop in and basically simulate a zoom and a longer focal length, how that would work in the macro shooting and macro video mode, I think it's a good opportunity to combine the different wishes of people who follow me on my channel. So I'm going to demonstrate this. Let's first recapitulate how this button is working, and then let's go into samples. So the Leica Q2 has this dedicated zoom button here. It's over here. And let's just get the display in a different shape. So now everything is away, which could distract us. And if I press it once, it basically shows a little rectangle here, which is a crop or a digital zoom. And it switches from 28 millimeters to 35 millimeters. If I push the button again, it goes to a 50 millimeter full frame equivalent focal length, and once more to 75 millimeters. The resolution gets reduced accordingly, and you can see this in another video I did, how the resolution is scaling with this digital zoom functionality here. In the remaining few minutes of the video, I'm going to show the samples in macro shooting and macro video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber already, I would be very happy if you subscribe. Thanks for watching.